Hi guys, so leo niko Dallas downtown, so let me show you around how it's like. Ng'ombe zina symbolize nini? Ziko tu mingi hapa. There are a lot of cow statues. Maybe there's somewhere watakuwa wameandika nini, but can't seem to find. Unaona very mingi from kule juu, here, all over there, going to that side. Yeah. This is Dallas downtown. Ng'ombe alafu zianze kusonga hapa Kirambe. Cha nipande huko juu tuone kuna nini pia upande ya kule juu. So see, looks weird to me though. It's a park or something, I don't know. There should be. There's nothing here. Just an open field with trees. It's a good place to have some photos. Waiting for them to finish taking their photos so as can go up there pia mimi nikapige picha ama nione ni nini that's over there, but meanwhile cha tuzunguke this other side nione nini kwa huku pia. And there are a lot of Mexicans around. La mtu nikisikia tu anaongea Kimexico. Well, I was with someone but tumepoteleana na sijui ako wapi. Tiki makaburi cemetery. So this is the downtown of Dallas. Oh, hey. Let me look for him. That's a waterfall, man-made waterfall. Nirudi huko kwa hizo cows. Can't seem to find. If you listen clearly to my background, utasikia tu watu wakiongea Kimexico. I think I'm lost. Well, I can't find the person that we are with, so I'm trying to locate him. Anyway, it's a beautiful city. So I've been told these cows means ni zile ng'ombe za cowboy, the cowboy cows. So tasema ile culture ya the culture that ile ya kunini ya kufuga ng'ombe, now the real cowboys, you know, in Texas they are cowboys. So let me show you one cowboy. So that's Japan. So that's a cowboy. Now he's looking over these cows, so that's the meaning. So there you go. That's the cowboy. And then there's another cowboy over there looking over the cows.
Sí, nada más que no quería el vestido y estaba haciendo un calorón. Así que la niña, así que estaba
There's the other cowboy. Yeah. So this is how they used to do it, to look over cows. They ride on horses.
Horse he reigns, with his hat and boots of leather. He's the Lone Ranger, he's the cowboy man, so brave and bold, with his heart of gold, he'll never fold. He roams the wild with a six-shooter by his side, the cowboy man who never hides. With his lasso he'll round him up, no town and G can't disrupt, from sunrise until the moon's high. He'll keep on riding there lasso, he'll round them up. No cow and jeep can disrupt from sunrise until the moon's high. In the heat of the sun or the cold of the night, he'll keep on going, never losing sight. His duty to protect and serve the cowboy man. He's got the nerve. He's the cowboy man, so brave and bold. His heart of gold, he'll never fold. He roams a while with a six-shooter by his side. The cowboy man will never hide. With his lasso, he'll round him up. No town and jeep can disrupt from sunrise